When people hear the words eye transplant, a chilling image comes to mind. An entire human eye removed, replaced, restored like a spare part. But here's the truth no one tells you. A full eye transplant does not exist in clinical practice. Not yet, and maybe not for a very long time. So what actually happens during an eye transplant? What medicine commonly calls an eye transplant is not the replacement of the whole eye. It is almost always a partial transplant, specifically of the cornea. The cornea, the only transplantable part of the eye. The cornea is the clear, dome-shaped front layer of the eye. It has no blood vessels, which makes it unique. Because of this, the immune system is less likely to reject it. It can be transplanted safely. It has been done successfully for decades. Corneal transplantation is performed to treat corneal scarring, keratoconus, severe infections, trauma or burns, certain inherited eye diseases. Why the entire eye cannot be transplanted? Here's where science hits a wall. The eye is not just an organ. It is an extension of the brain. The biggest obstacle is the optic nerve. Once the optic nerve is cut, it cannot regenerate. It cannot reconnect to the brain. Vision cannot be restored. So even if you replace the whole eyeball perfectly, the brain would never see through it. What about the retina? The retina contains millions of specialized nerve cells. Once damaged, they do not regenerate. They cannot be transplanted successfully. They lose direct communication with the brain. This is why blindness from optic nerve damage is permanent. No full eye replacement exists today. Scientists are experimenting with optic nerve regeneration, stem cell retinal therapy, bionic eyes and retinal implants. But these are experimental, limited, and not true eye transplants. No hospital today can remove a donor's entire eye, implant it into another person, restore normal vision. So when people say, someone had an eye transplant, what they really mean is a corneal transplant, not an eye replacement. The phrase eye transplant is medically misleading, emotionally dramatic, and widely misunderstood. Always remember, medicine can replace the cornea, the lens, parts of the eye, but it cannot replace sight itself. Not yet, and that's the truth. Drug Sense explained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for simple, trustworthy health and drug safety information.